Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today we'll do a typical French dish. It's a fish terrine that we usually eat in the Christmas dinner. Usually this terrine, it's made from white fish, sometimes also salmon. Sometimes you can add sea scallops, but today we will do the base and after you will decide what to add as your taste and to customize as you want with herbs, spices, some veggies, change the fish of course, and whatever. I will tell you and explain you all after. So, the basic thing is fish, liquid cream, egg, salt, spices and herbs. That's all. Now first you go to your fish store and you ask fillet of white fish. In my case it's a sea bass. I will show you how to debone it because we will make a kind of stuff, fine stuff. So for this we follow the bones. So I will cut after the bones here. And before the bones here. Up. This will remove, as you know in Chef Vivien, zero waste. So this will be a nice fumet to make a nice sauce for another day, for another fish. How to take off the skin? You can take off a little part of meat like this and you see the skin. You hold the skin like this with an angle of 45 degrees. You cut your skin. All right, and after like this. Up, and you have the fish and the skin. Now we cut pieces. We cut them in order to mix them. You can mix with this big machine. You can with this hand stuff like this little machine. What you have. In the very old time in kitchen, we make with knife. But now there is a bit more comfortable kitchen helpers. And we blend. When it's finished to blend, when it's quite nicely blend, it's time to add egg. If you make a terrine that you want pink color, like also salmon in the stuff, you can add a full egg because the yolk will add a bit of color, but your stuff is already colored, so it doesn't matter. But if you want to play with colors and have a white stuff and pink pieces like we did, like I will show you today, it's better to add only the white part. So it's time to add this white part of egg. The yolk, I will keep it to make maybe a good tortilla, but it's another recipe. And we mix. Now it's time to add the salt. Usually you need to add 1.2% of salt. In my case it's grams. So I will have finally 500 gram terrine. So I will put 5.5 gram of salt. Up. It's important for all cold starter to add the right amount of salt because otherwise if you don't have enough salt, completely plain with no taste. So really, I really advise you to put the right amount. Take time for this. It's really quick recipe, but take time to weight your salt and to put the right amount of salt. The stuff is ready, half ready. I really advise you to transfer in a bowl in order to add the liquid cream. You could add it there in the blender, but the blender runs really fast. So the risk is to transform your liquid cream in butter. So to avoid this risk completely, you mix it here. Up. I use today sea bass. You can use dorado. You can use pike perch. You can use sander. So now it's time for liquid cream. Nice liquid cream. Quite fatty. Minimum like 25%, but better 30, even 35%. 35% of fat, of course. I talk about fat. Now we need to integrate all this together. 10 seconds. Up. And this is your base. After, you can play. So you can play with piece of salmon, you can play a piece of fresh salmon, piece of smoked salmon, piece of sea scallops. If you want to add some veggies, first you need to cook them in order to remove their water from inside. Otherwise, if you don't do this, your terrine will be completely liquid and it will be dead. So really important to cook before. You cut salmon in rectangular pieces in order to put them on a line in the terrine, and after when you will cut, you will have a nice cubes. You will see a nice cubes on your terrine. It's time to season, to finish the seasoning of terrine. For this I will put cayenne pepper, a bit spicy, a white pepper, and in my case that's all. About spices, it's okay. Of course, you can also add if you have, but I don't have. The truth is that I don't have. Piment d'Espelette from the Basque country, but I don't have. I need to come back to buy. It's time to change cutting board. You take some parsley, already clean, of course. With the salmon, if you add also salmon inside the stuff, I also recommend you dill. It's very nice with salmon, but I show you a basic one today with maybe parsley. It's good with chives, and it's good also with dill. Imagine that you add some dried tomatoes. You add some sun-dried tomatoes, you can add maybe some basil. You imagine a bit what you like. And this in the stuff. Now we take the terrine. What's the terrine? The original terrine is from ceramic, is this kind of form, where you will be able to make terrine, to make pâté, to make some stuff that need to cook slowly in oven. The name of the dish came from the mold. That's really simple. I will use today the one-use foil terrine because it's really easy and it's cooked a little bit more quicker because this is more thin. And I make all my mold with melted butter, really room temperature. We take some stuff and spread it in all the mold. This kind of first layer. You add your piece of salmon. It's important that it doesn't touch the borders of your mold. You play and you use all your products, no waste, zero waste, little pieces like this, and make another line. We put more stuff, spread it once again, another line, fantastic. Now you cover it fully. Now we need to put in water bath. This is already hot water in a terrine. This is, by the way, the perfect example of a big terrine for 20 people, 30 people. You can take any larger mold than your terrine to make a water bath. I advise you to put hot water and put it in your water bath. If you want a golden skin on top, which will be after down, and a little caramelization, you stay like this. But if you keep it like this. But if you want a pureness, a white pureness and delicate terrine, you just cover the terrine like this, and it will stay non-colored. And you put this in oven, and you put it 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Then once it's ready, you take off from the oven, you let it cool down, and you put it in a cold water to stop the cooking process maximum quickly. Let it like this 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and after in the fridge. And you keep it in the fridge for one night. It will be better to keep it in the fridge one night, and the day after you cut it and you enjoy it with your friends, with champagne, with a dry white wine. So usually we do it one night before Christmas. And this is already one dish already prepared. Our terrine stay one night in the fridge, and now I once again take hot water and I put it like this. Why? Because you remember we put some butter before to put our mixture, our stuff. And now we are melting the butter in order to demold easily. Wait a little bit. And when you see that the butter is melting, it's okay. It's time to take it out. Hop. Et voila. It's time to cut and to see what's inside. Use a really sharp knife. You can see the pieces of salmon, because in this case we put only salmon, but imagine you make more amount and you build some mosaic with some salmon, some sea scallops, some another fish also, some veggies as we said. And you serve this cold with a nice mayonnaise or a sauce cocktail. You can find sauce cocktail in my previous video, and it will be very nice with this dish. After you can make a decoration, you present some slices already cut like this. If you have 4 guests, you cut 4 slices and you put in the center of the table. And if you want more, you cut more. It's easy. You can dress with some salad somewhere here, some salad somewhere there. I want it right so much, so I take the border. How to explain? It's delicate, tasty because there is a good amount of salt, a bit of pepper. If will be a bit of dill, it will be nicer, to be sincere, but still very good. Don't forget to put a like to this video and subscribe to my channel.